Hello everyone, I'm Karan. Welcome to my French series. Let's all do the question, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is one of the three core web development technologies which are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's see how these technologies fit in web development. Here you can see HTML is responsible for creating the structure of web pages, and CSS is responsible for styling and formatting the HTML elements, and JavaScript is responsible for adding functionality to the HTML elements. HTML was created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. The first version of HTML1 was released in 1993. The main purpose of HTML was create web pages for sharing information, from static pages to complex web apps like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, from supporting desktop screens to mobile screens. The latest version of HTML5 was released on 2014, which brings HTML to base up with the rapid evolving web development. In this course, we will start from basics of HTML like paragraph, headings, lists, etc. and we will move on to its complex topics like form vectors, graphics, multimedia support, so on. In learning video, we will learn and understanding new concept. In assignment video, we will practice concept because practice makes man perfect, right? I hope you are excited. See you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.